find the coordinate of the points of trisection of the line segment joining 4, -1 and -2, -3. So let us draw a line segment. This is point A and this is point B. Their coordinates are given, this and this. So trisection means a line which has been divided into 3 equal parts, and bisect means something which gets divided into 2 equal parts. And this line has been trisected by point P and Q. So the value of the distance of AP and PQ and QP, QB or BQ, all are same. Here we'll have to take the point P and Q to be the point of intersection of the line segment joining this and this. So here AP is to PB is equal to, because AP it has one part and this BP it has two part, so its ratio will be 1:2. So we'll find the coordinate of point P. So this time we'll apply that formula, section formula, this one. Here this will be the M1, this will be the value of M1, and this will be the value of M2, and this will be x1 y1 and x2 y2. On putting the respective values and simplifying, we get 2, -5/3. Now we have got the coordinate of P, point P. Now using the in the similar manner, we will find the ratio of AQ is to BQ. Here we can see that in AQ there are two parts, two equal parts, and in BQ there is one part, so its ratio will be 2:1. Again, using the same section formula, we will find the coordinate of point Q. Here this will be M1 and this will be M2. On putting their values and after simplification, we will get the coordinate of point Q as 0, -7/3.